Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer files from laptop to laptop without using any cable. So if you have some files on your computer, guys, as long as you have an active internet connection on a Google account, you can easily transfer files. So the method I'm going to share with you is to simply open up your browser, sign into your Google account, click the Google Apps and open up your Google Drive. Now, once you have your Google Drive, you can go ahead and upload your files directly to your Google Drive. So let's say I'm going to upload a file here into this test folder. I'm going to open up a folder. If you don't know how to create folders, you can simply go ahead and go to your drive, and on the upper left hand side, you have new. Just simple right click and click new folder, and you can name that folder as you can see here. Name it whatever you want and click and create. Now I'm going to go back to this folder that I have that's called a test folder. Let me go ahead and find that test folder here. And you want to go ahead and upload whatever file that you have on your computer. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to simply head over to my downloads folder right here on my computer. And let's say I want to upload this file. So I'm going to drag that file into this folder here, and you can see that it's currently uploaded. Now, guys, it is really simple. All you have to do is go to your next computer, ensure that you have an active internet connection again, and of course, open up your browser, sign into your Google Drive, open the same Google Drive that you have where you have the file stored, and simply find the file, right click on the file now, and hit download. And guess what? The file actually downloads on your computer. I know it's a very easy method, and you maybe think, oh, I know this, I could easily do this. But that's a quick workaround that you can use just in case you want to transfer files from one computer to the next. If you have this internet connection and an active Google account, you can easily do this within seconds. Of course, if you have large files, this will take some time. And of course, it also play in part that you have up to 15 gigs of free space on Google Drive. So if the file is less than 15 gigs, then Google Drive is absolutely fine to use. And of course, I recommend that if it's multiple files, you can separate them in parts, transfer them, free up the space, and then upload again. Otherwise, you have to upgrade your Google Drive space to get more space so that you can transfer larger files. But if you're working with under 15 gigs, guys, this is a brilliant and simple way how to actually transfer files from computer to computer. Very easy and very simple.